Hello students, in this video we are going to learn to solve the problems related to the chapter arithmetic progression exercise 1.3. You already know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and one more formula is Sn equal n by 2 into a plus l. Let us solve some problems. The first problem, in an AP, A3 is 15, S10 is 125, find D and A10. Right, the given points, A3 is 15, that means third term is 15, sum of the 10th terms is 125, we have to find common difference and the first term. You already know the formula, Sn equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. First, we have to substitute the values. Yes, sir. In place n, we have to substitute 10. So, 10 by 2 into a plus 10 minus 1 into d. We have to find a and d. So, keep as it is. S10 is 125. That equal 5 into 2a plus 9 into d. 125 equal 5 into 2a plus 9d. 125 divided by 5 equal 2a plus 9d. By dividing, you will get 25 equal 2a plus 9d. That is the first equation. We want one more equation. Using the formula an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Here third term is given, that is a3 equal a plus 3 minus 1 into d. The value of a3 is 15, that equal a plus 2 into d. That is the second equation. Multiplying the equation second by 2, we get 30 equal 2a plus 4d. That means 15 into 2 is 30. A into 2 is 2a plus 2d into 2 is 4d. So that is the third equation. By taking first and third equation, we have to subtract from 3 to first equation. Using elimination method, 30 equal 2a plus 4d and another equation is 25 equal 2a plus 9d. We have to subtract. That means we have to change the sign. So 30 minus 25 equal 5 and 2a both side is cancelled. 4d minus 9d, that is minus 5d. So the value of d is 5 by minus 5. That you will get minus 1. So the common difference is minus 1. Now we want first term. So you can take any equation, either first, second or third equation. Now I am taking here second equation. Just substitute the values. 15 equal a plus 2d. So 15 equal a plus 2. In the place d, we have to substitute minus 1. So 15 plus 2 equal a. So the first term is 17. Now what we have to find here? 10th term, a10. a10 means 10th term. You already know the formula, an formula. Otherwise you can write direct a10 equal a plus 9d. So an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. a10 equal first term is 17 plus 10 minus 1 and the common difference is minus 1. You will get 17 plus 9 into minus 1. 17 minus 9. So the 10th term is 8. One more problem. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7 and 22 term is 149. First we'll write the given points. D is 7. A 22, because here total 22 terms are there. So 22 terms, A 22 is 149. That is the last term in this problem. And we have to find the sum of the 22 terms. First we have to find A. Yes, An equal A plus n minus 1 into D. A 22 equal A plus 22 minus 1 into 7. So A 22 is 149. That equal A plus 21 into 7. 149 equal A plus 147. So the first term is 149 minus 147. You will get 2. The first term is 2. We can write direct to formula, Sn formula. Otherwise, you can write Sn equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now I am taking here the direct to formula. Sn equal n by 2 into a plus n. L means last term. Sn equal 22 by 2 into 2a plus 149. The last term is 22nd term is 149. That is 11 into 151. So the sum of the 22 terms is 1661. Let us solve one more problem. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. First we will write the series. Here odd numbers, you already know the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, but we want till 50, so that's why 49 is the last odd number. First write the given points. First term is 1 and we have to find the common difference. 5 minus 3, you will get 2 and the last term is 49. We have to find Sn because sum of the odd numbers. Before finding sum of the odd numbers, first we want n terms, number of terms. So use the formula An equal A plus n minus 1 into D. An means last term, then that is 49 equal 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. 49 equal 1 plus 2n minus 2, which is 49 equal 2n minus 1. So 50 equal 2n. So the number of terms is 25. Now we can apply the formula, Sn formula, n by 2 into a plus l. N means here 25. So S25 equal 25 by 2 into 1 plus 49. 25 by 2 into 50, which is 25 into 25 because 50 is divisible by 2, that is 25. So the sum of 25 terms is 625. Take down the homework. First one, the first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. Second one, in an AP, AN is 3, N is 8, SN is 192. Have to find D. L is 28, Sn is 144 and there are total 9 terms. You have to find A. Thank you.